No,
it's a little bit wet, and we are in the Peak District.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks.
Indy! Indy! It's a little bit wet. Literally the minute we arrived in the Peak District, it started raining. Typical. But it's okay. We're prepared, and my new regatta jacket on and walking boots, etc. It's very wet, so we're not going to do as long as we walked. Indy!
Just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow.
Happy campers? Oh, not so happy campers because it's bloody freezing and wet. And we lost the footpath, so now we're just trying to get back onto it basically.
And lit up a flame, and ooh, I was done feeling hopeless. Screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and
It's finally, no it's not, I was going to say it stopped raining, but it's not here. Well, we're going that way actually. This camera's flipped around the wrong way, but we're going back to Hartington. So yeah, off we go. Just typical that every time I come to the Peak District, literally no matter what month of the year, August I've been in twice, September, July, December, every time I come to the Peak District it rains, so I don't know why I'm so surprised or annoyed. But I mean, it's not particularly, it is cold today but not freezing, but yeah, it's just annoying because I can't get the camera out, which is just something I love doing. I've taken pictures of nature and the hikes that I go on, but I just want to keep the camera safe when it's wet, so just have to film on my phone, but that's fine, it's not a problem.
guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold,
Don't
in your
trespass.
arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless.
Sophie's underwear.
It's not my underwear.
Sophie's granny.
Broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame, and ooh, I was my own enemy. Screamed out loud.
Cool, get a couple of them for dinner.
Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone.
So we're just waiting to go and pick up our delivery of food, so we're just playing a quick game. So we've just got to the campsite and just set up and tidied up a little bit, put our wet clothes away, got some cutlery and plates out because we've just ordered some food from a local Indian restaurant, and Sophia's just popped out to go and pick it up from the front of the campsite because we got it delivered. But yeah, we're just gonna hang here. We've got some music on, we're chilling. I'm just up on the double bed at the moment, using Bella's bed and the two front seats which we've swizzled around so that we can have dinner on, and we've put the table up as well so that we can have dinner when it gets here. So yeah, we're just chilling. Bella's down here. Oh, where are you? Dog's down here somewhere. You can see her little ginger face somewhere there. Cindy. And we put all the curtains up and stuff around here, so no one can see in. So yeah, very hungry after a long walk today, about 6 kilometers we reckon. So yeah, and then we're gonna get up early tomorrow. Well, actually no, we're not. We're gonna have a lazy morning, coffee and breakfast, and then we'll probably go for another walk somewhere and then go do some exploring in the afternoon before heading home. So stay tuned.
The coldness somehow and lit up a flame.
What are you doing?
I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn.
Good morning. We have just woken up and we're just in the van. Oh, that's not a good angle. And we are just gonna have a slow morning, make some breakfast. What have we got for breakfast? We've got yogurt, granola, banana and honey. So we're gonna make breakfast now, have a coffee, take all the window covers down. But yeah, it's a good night's sleep, wasn't it, team? We all feel very fresh this morning, and it wasn't too cold in the night either. It's nice and cozy. We did bring an extra duvet just in case, but didn't really need it. But yeah, we're gonna get up now. Whee! Light!
In your arms of gold.
First is served. We've got blueberries, banana, yogurt, honey and granola. Just me and Bella having this because Theo's not a fan of it. Here you go, Brune.
Arise from the ashes.
We have just parked up at a place near Harbour Rocks, and we're just going to go for a quick walk, walk the dog, and then maybe try and find somewhere for lunch about 1ish. Maybe a little cafe somewhere or a pub or something. So it looks very windy today, but we are quite high up, I guess. So yeah, let's go.
From your passion, my doubts are gone. Yeah. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold. In your arms of gold.
Hiya and welcome to the camper van. So I'm just going to give you a very quick show round. Obviously there's not much to see because this thing's a camper van and it's a van. But yeah, as you come in, I will show you now what you get, and it's all set up for like dinner, and then we've got a double bed in here, and then we've got a seating area here which just converts into another single bed, so that's where Bella's sleeping. We've got a table here as well and a few other bits, and then the back doors as well behind me open up. So as you can see, come in here and you've got a fridge which has still got some bits and bobs in for the weekend. We got in yesterday, and as you can see, this is the situ. We've got a single bed here which also doubles up as a seating area, and these two like driver and passenger seats swizzle round, so you can have everyone kind of sat around the seating area, and then as I say, this flattens into a single bed here, and then back here we've got some storage underneath, which is the paddle boards and the wetsuits, and you could probably get a bike under here as well, and you've also got your water tank here, fire extinguisher and a few other bits on the back of the van. But yeah, just loads of storage under here. We're going to put our suitcases, well, our suitcases have been here for most of the weekend, and then up here this is a double bed, so as you can see, nice big space, feet up against here, and then looking back here then you can see a little bit more of the setup. Drivers, our muddy shoes from yesterday, but yeah, sat nav, and you can put Apple CarPlay up here as well. But yeah, this is our little setup.